Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going on a bike ride.
Hey, this is GP. I'm going with Maddie.
Oh yeah, that's my grandma. So we are at Denver Appaloosa Park.
No, Cheeseman.
Oops. I'm at Cheeseman, sorry guys. So yeah, let's be going, and I use like a Santa. Do it, and I'm going to be filming until I get to my grandparents' house. Let's go. So, as you see, yeah, I'm sure you call, not the Coliseum, but, yep, that's pretty my house. And guys, you are gonna love this. There's like a downhill part, right, GB? Yep. And it's so steep. And I'm gonna be at my grandparents for the weekend. So I might be posting more this weekend than I usually am. So yes, and go subscribe, hit that like button, and hit the notification bell, and you will notify every time I post again. See if you can beat me, but you can't. You want to go? We'll go, GP. You're going to slow down and lose. Stop! GP! As you see, she's ahead of me, but I swear I will be in front of her. I'm choking. So, yeah, let's go. See, look at her slow down. I'm going a nice speed. Yep. I'm just gonna because my grandparents are at Vegas right now, and I'm really sad. But I'm my grandparents, and I have you guys to make me feel better. And also, please comment down if you have. I put a dog emoji and then a heart emoji if you have a sweet dog, and put that down if you've made it this start of the video. And if you have, you're awesome. Look, you're slow down. GP! Ah! I was rolling over dog poop. Dog doo-doo. Exactly. But it was in the bag, so still was disgusting. Ooh, my butt is sore. Like, you know, like the back of your thigh, like close to your butt? Yeah. That's what.
The muscle?
Oh my God, yeah. That's scary. There's GP.
Yeah.
There she is.